President Nadine has spoken. Naglabas ng kanyang gigil at galit ang aktres kaugnay sa mga umano'y anomalya sa flood control projects. Nasa frontline na balitang yan, si MJ Marfor.
No holding back si Masked Singer Pilipinas Judge Nadine Lustre nang tanungin tungkol sa isang hot topic online. Ang mga anak ng mga politiko at kontraktor umano na flex ng kanilang lavish lifestyle.
People are not seeing any improvement. So obviously, mali talaga. Mali talaga. And I'm really sad seeing na people are really struggling and are going through all of these things, like losing their homes, like even losing their pets, livelihood, just because we can't find a solution for it. Tapos, syempre nakakaano naman talaga, nakakagalit and nakakalungkot na makita na yung binabayad nating mga